Peachtree, for any new family or experience, certainly offers a wealth and a range of opportunities for young kids, for middle schoolers, and to your high school opportunity.
One of my favorite things about Peachtree Academy is the comfort in knowing that everyone here is supportive of not just the individual, but your whole family.
They get the foundation of their academics, they get their foundation of family, feeling like they belong, and they get their foundation of their faith.
The small classroom ratio, the great connection with the staff, with the students, and the encouragement with them, and volunteering and being supportive of their community is phenomenal.
For us, it was the right fit because for my elementary student, he was able to grow and thrive in a smaller environment and be able to really explore and meet the older kids in a different way and learn from them as mentors.
But I've seen their confidence grow. I've seen their willingness to help others.
My favorite thing about coming to Peachtree every day is the students, the staff. We are a family.
We are prepared. We are smart.
We are curious.
We are friends.
We are supportive.
We are creative.
We are Peachtree! Yeah!